Alright team, your boy Carl, Redbeard Recipes. This is mango habanero sauce.
No meat, just sauce.
Remember to like and subscribe. Let's get you started.
Start off by roughly chopping 9 or 10 habaneros, around 2 or 3 cloves of garlic. Add these to a pan with around 100 grams of mango, half a cup of vinegar, quarter of a cup of apple cider vinegar, quarter of a teaspoon of salt, and half a cup of water. Also a squeeze of lemon juice. Bring this to the boil and blend thoroughly. Then add a further 200 grams of mango to the mix and blend again.
Thanks for watching team, and I'll see you in the next one.
Also get lost in the sauce.
You can get how you get lost in the sauce?
Man, a bitch gonna get lost in the sauce, man.